Hi there, Chris from Listed Indicators here. Apologies if you had to sit and wait through yet another Tradeattainment ad right before this video. Not sure what you got served up this time, but the overwhelming amount of grift is why we don't really post new content on this channel anymore. Chances are you probably don't need yet another magic tool or trading room subscription. Instead, I'd suggest setting up some rules and to test if there is a statistical edge. Of course, implement some risk management and only take positions appropriate for your account size. In other words, probably need to stop freelancing every time the market twitches and only take setups within your trade window that meets your requirements. And you probably have that written down already, maybe dozens of times in your trading plan, in your journal, but you still don't follow it, not because you're clueless, not because the market is unfair, but because there is a conflict between what works and what trading makes you feel. In fact, most traders aren't hooked on trading, they're addicted to hope. Hope that there is a shortcut to the grind, hope that you can win without doing the boring stuff required to win. And that's why accounts blow up because most struggling traders are not willing to actually take the boring path. Rules and repetition isn't really exciting stuff. On the other hand, if you're done with dopamine trading and shortcuts that lead nowhere, then our strategy toolbox might be worth a shot. Of course, there's no promise of overnight success, no secret sauce, just a structured workflow to test your ideas, define your rules, determine if there is a edge, and how to monitor performance moving forward. Basically, all the stuff that nobody really wants to do. And it will certainly be the most boring purchase you'll make during BlackWeek. So go ahead and tap the link below for more details. And if not, get ready for some more excitement and another Tradeattainment ad in about 3, 2, 1.